Hey guys, we're about to go on the Slinky Dog Dash. I'm recording by it. I didn't really get a good shot of the queue last year. Oh, look, it kind of looks like Chutes and Ladders up there.
Yep.
You want the left side or the right side?
I'll go in first.
Okay. So you get the left side. Wait, that's what I got last year. Okay. Okay. Oh. I thought he said something else. Should I take off my glasses?
Yeah, they'll fly off.
Okay, can I put them in your bag? No?
Put them in the pouch.
Oh yeah, that's right, the pouch. It's nice that they finally have a coaster here in Hollywood Studio. Like,
They had a coaster.
like another coaster, I mean. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay. I think this is the same road we got last year.
So I don't know.
Hang on to your springs and coils, cause this here coaster is the wildest ride in Amden.
Wilderness. You have a lot of sweat on your head.
That's not something you say out loud.
I don't care. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, shoot. I'll just hold it between my legs. Maybe I'll get ride footage on Rise. We'll see.
Hang on.
Then that's it.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's. Oh, look at the back. There's Galaxy's Edge. Woo! I thought you didn't like. I thought you didn't like those sound effects.
I like when it's bumpy. I smiled for the camera. Even
Yeah,
though
me
we're on
too.
mask. That's me. That's Bud. That's me when I have an asthma attack.
This is my favorite song. Won't you sing along?
No,
You got a friend in
His
me.
voice doesn't match his singing voice.
I know.
You got so much fun. Now please stay seated till you come to a complete stop. And grab your things and step out to
Hold
your
on.
right. So long, pal.
No.